Hello again, my name's John and welcome to a very quick video. As it's Pancake Tuesday, I'll show you how we make our pancakes here in the UK. You can view the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website. I'll leave a link in the description under the video, or you can click on the eye icon top right of the screen to take you directly to the recipe page. Okay, this will be a very quick and simple recipe as I thought Shrove Tuesday was next week, so I've had to get this one done quick. Start adding the ingredients to a bowl. In goes the flour, salt and eggs. Now add a little of the milk at first and mix that to a smooth paste. If you added the milk all at once, you'd end up with lots of lumps and it'll take you forever to get those lumps out. Once you've got a smooth paste, you can add the rest of the milk and the oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but sunflower oil or olive oil will do just as good. Now give that a good whisk, whether by hand or machine. Note this is a very runny batter, but don't worry, it's supposed to be. And that's it, your pancake batter's done. How simple is that? Right, before I start cooking these beautiful pancakes, I hope you don't mind if I give my 4 recipe books a quick shout out. The books have lots of our favourite recipes from our work kitchens in them. And also, book 4 in this series is totally dedicated to bread recipes. Also, the skeleton style oven gloves, now supporting our company name, are also available too. Just check out the link in the description box to our website store if you're interested in any of these items. Right, over to the cooker. Get a frying pan or a flat bottom wok like mine up to 180 degrees Celsius, that's 355 Fahrenheit. Now brush on a little melted butter. Add a ladle of the butter to the pan and let it flow to the outside edge of your pan. Now cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can lift the edge of the pancake up to see how it's doing underneath. Once you think the first side's done, you can either flip it or toss the pancake over. And once that side is done, move it to a hot plate. If you have 2 pans on the go, it goes much quicker. And just in case you thought my toss was a fluke, there you go. Now keep going and stacking your pancakes on a hot plate until all your batter's used up. And that's it. You should now have about 8 to 10 pancakes depending on how big you made them. Now you can fill them with whatever you like, and here's a couple of ideas for both sweet and savoury pancakes. Starting with this famous chocolate and hazelnut spread and banana. When we were kids back in the 50s and early 60s, all we got was a bit of sugar and a squirt of lemon juice, and that was it. Right, I'll just add the banana slices and roll it up. And that's all you have to do with them. This one always goes down well with the kids. And unlike me, if you don't have a sweet tooth, try this Moorish cheddar cheese and cooked ham option. Start by adding a little grated cheese to the pancake. And once your cheese is on, you can add some cooked ham strips. Little salt and pepper, and if you like you could spice this up with a splash or 2 of Tabasco sauce. Now all you've got to do is roll that one up too. And just for research purposes, I'll try a bit of both. And doesn't that look amazing? and those are absolutely delicious. I have these all year round, to be honest, especially the savoury one. It doesn't have to be Shrove Tuesday in our house. Really quick, simple and delicious. Big thumbs up for this one, guys. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.